How to make your own drone. Next, please watch carefully. First, test the motor to continuously output voltage and see the maximum speed of the motor. The motor has been protected at the maximum speed. The total weight is 54 grams. Assemble 4 of the same ones. Assemble them one by one. Add them and shake them to see if they are strong or not. Assemble them one by one. The quality is nothing to say. The good intention is a little big. And it is easy to block. Try different heights so that it will not be blocked. Then test it. It is strong enough. Extend the length a little bit. Try not to extend it. The sharpness is in the middle. It is unbalanced. There is no overlap this time. Let's try it first. It seems not very good. Making a drone is not simple. This is a small motherboard. The flight controller has all the resistors and capacitors arranged. There is a drawing above. People with good hands-on ability can try it. Since you have a motherboard, write the drone data first. This switch is to control the speed. First, find a board and solder all the capacitors on it. After soldering, connect it to the motherboard and solder it on. Stick 2 double-sided tapes to stick the motherboard on it. It should be very firm. Connect it to the computer first and try each fan blade. There should be no problem. Everyone here, guess what this is? 321, that's right. It's the remote control chip. This is the one I bought at a huge price. Install the battery on the remote control first and debug all the functions of the remote control first. After debugging, let's try it. This is the throttle. This is tilting backwards. This is sprinting forward. This is turning right. And this is turning left. These are the batteries for the drone. There are 8 batteries in total, each of which is 3.7 volts. A total of 29.6 volts, which is enough. First, use a board to fix all the batteries together and power them up. Try it. It looks good, but the balance is a little off. Let's modify the data again. It's good. It can take off now, and it's quite balanced. Try it first from the ground to the table. It should be that the battery voltage is not enough, and it can't fly high enough. Add another battery. The total weight of the 9 batteries is 33.3 volts. And the total weight is 59 grams. The total weight of the drone is now 470 grams. Let's try it again, which is also very oak. This time we're going to try it with a high level of difficulty. trying it directly outdoors can be considered a success, right? Bye.